Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Wildwood X-Lite from Forest River. This is a model 261 BHXL. It's a bunkhouse travel trailer. They built it with no slide to reduce the weight. However, you've got great sleeping accommodations. Let's just kind of knock it out. We'll walk around it here. Power hitch jack up front, plus diamond shield. By the way, this is aluminum, T6 aluminum on the front rather than high tension fiberglass being bent at an angle. This won't delaminate, so it's going to last like that forever. The graphics are solar resistant, so you don't have to worry about the fading and peeling. Solar ready, pretty much plug and play. You get a ZAMP solar panel pointed at the sun and you're off grid. Oversized compartments to accept the big coolers with magnetic fasteners. This one comes with a barbecue. There's the stand, the grill's inside. These do have jacks on all the corners. You see they have the strong arm stabilizer system on them. So when you get these jacks in position, put those down, it's really, really solid. Power awning across the front with LED light rope. Take a look here, we see our model. It's a 261 BHXL. Comes with the alloy wheels. Even has this outside kitchen. Well, let's not call it a kitchen, more of a condiment cooking station, because you have your sink here. You can do dishes, that sort of thing if you need to. We also have a place for all the condiments. Don't you hate going inside, get the mayonnaise, get the ketchup, bring it all out, and you got to put it all back. This one even comes with a little refrigerator here. So you got a fridge, cooking surface, condiments, hot and cold running water. All out here by the campfire where you're spending your time. By the way, the bunk rooms all have windows. Well, both bunks, I should say. The back, this is cool. We have the fold down rack, spare tires attached to it, but you can fold that down, bring the raft, the bicycles, the scooter, you name it. This side we've already seen when we started our video here, but a couple things to point out. Outside shower, black tank flush. That's important because you get any kind of debris stuck in your tank, I'll clean it out, save you any hassles down the road. Let's take a look inside. This has the new solid step. There's our stairs. And the way this works, you simply grab the handle, pull out, set it down. You got a much more stable platform that way. Inside, here's our floor plan. Up front, we've got the queen size walk around bed. Now that has wardrobes on both sides, mirrored wardrobes, as well as a USB charging port over here by the windows. A lot of windows too. They put real big windows in this year. It really brightens them up. New colors. We've got the sofa bed, so this is guest sleeping too if you fold it down into a bed. Same thing goes with our dinette booth. Drop the table down, you got another guest sleeping area. Right when we walked in, we saw, well, we didn't see it, I should point this out. There's your tank monitor right here, awning control. And this is a new look they have on the, not the ceiling sill, you get this camera right. The solid surface looking countertops. They're not granite, they look like it, but they're not heavy. They're lightweight and they're not fragile. They're not going to crack and break. Above us here we can see glass panel cabinets, hidden hinges, new this year. The stove, it's got a 3-burner stove, oven underneath. Up above we've got microwave, stainless steel fascia on the refrigerator freezer combination. And here we go, there's our bunks. Now I have that door up, it looks dark, but you imagine without that window it's kind of dark and gloomy, but nice and bright up here just like it is down below with the outdoor kitchen door shut. USB ports, if your kids like their video games, that sort of thing, they can plug them in. Plus they got lights in there, they can turn their own lights on. Behind me we've got our sink, vanity mirror, and then up here toward the front, actually this is the back of the trailer. Here in the back, newly designed bathroom. We have the skylight up above, power exhaust vent, foot flush toilet, and our shower tub stall. 2019 Wildwood 261 X-Lites right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com.